Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. It's a bit of a squirt below all the levels that we were looking at yesterday, but hindsight's always a perfect science, and the closest bit of 8-hour structure that we do see is pretty much all the way down at 19,068 and 18,979. So somewhere in between that, and there's a little bit of a gap just below that, which I think is going to act as a magnet as well. So let's just get the gap in. Now, don't lose sight of the fact that the trend is up. So, the wise decision for a lot of new traders would be wait for the retest and then get a move to the upside. The retest would validate this big cup and handle as well as a small cup and handle. Just want to check. I think if I remember correctly, it's not in play. 350. Yeah, sorry, small cup and handle is played out. So this little one here, we've already hit that target. So it's the big cup and handle here that we are looking for. So this is the area that you're looking for price to get back to for an opportunity to buy into this. And if you've got any long-term portfolios, I'll definitely be looking to put some cash into a DAX EFT or something similar to that, which replicates this, because you're probably going to get a quick 3-4% return going into the close of the year. Now, if we drop down to the 3-hour, and nothing's really changed from the trend. The trend is still to the upside. There's just no support to the left. We barreled through all the support that there was, and it was mediocre at the best. And what we have done is we have started paying very close attention to this trend line. So for me at the moment, I am looking for support lower down, definitely, but then at the same time, you should probably be looking to be short. Now, a little bit different to the S&P. The S&P is looking a little bit more bearish than this. Yeah, you can see we are bouncing off the 150 EMA, and I think this level here is too high. 19,319 is too high. It breaks through moving averages again. So I definitely don't think that's an option. Let's just get down to the 15-minute and have a look here. Pretty much the same view. So I think for me, the bearish signals are not strong enough. I was going to say, there's an opportunity for a short, a quick short, a short scalp. But you're looking at 19,068 as your first target. Now, that's 160 points away. So you've got two options here, and I think whatever option you take, either take it with a very, very small position size, or use a demo account, to be honest, because I think you've got a 50-50 chance of losing here. Remember, bigger trend is up, the 15-minute is down, and the hour is ranging. So you can see between the moving averages we're ranging. So there's nothing really concrete on the hour. So your only option here is on the 15-minute and possibly the 5-minute as well. But the 5-minute will probably be bullish at the moment. It'll be above the moving averages. Yeah, there you go. And with a flag forming, strong move up, flag forming, continuation to the upside. So the only two options you've got, as far as I'm concerned, is you need to see price drop lower and come bump its head off something like 19,242, and then you have an opportunity for a short down to this area at 19,068, 19,050. My preference is for a move down here, but not to trade the short. So I would be looking to put in a long position somewhere down here based on price action. So that's kind of my preference. If I just come back to a 6-minute, 5-minute chart, a bit of a different picture brewing here. So ideally, if you break above 19,276 and you come back to test that, there's probably merit for looking for a move to the upside. With this big move that we had yesterday, nothing's impossible. Could be the measured move play out as well. You can see first move range, as I spoke about yesterday, break of the range to downside, measured move made. But my bigger worry here is there's no structure. The structure is lower down, so I would rather wait for a long entry lower down from the higher time frame perspective, instead of trying to second guess what's going on here. But if we do break structure to the upside, there's definitely merit for waiting for the pullback and then just continuing on your journey to the upside. So whatever you do, just take a very small position size, because I think it's a strong possibility that you're going to get burned. So if you're looking for a bullish move here on the break, could very well be taken out a little bit higher up at 19,319 with a massive candle to the downside like this one. And that would probably happen during the US session again, like it happened yesterday. So that's kind of my view of this at the moment. I think it looks more bearish than bullish, but it's very close to a coin toss. So either be very careful or go down to the 5 minute if you've got the time and just wait for the structure to form in the 5 minute. But then you want to be in and out in a couple of bars. You're not going to be waiting around for a big payday, because I don't think there's a big payday going to happen today. Anyway, hope it helps you somewhat. If you're uncertain, sit out. Don't try and second guess this. And we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.